Welcome to the world of group home riches, where you can achieve financial freedom while making a positive impact on society. Are you tired of working long hours for someone else? Do you dream of being your own boss and creating a better future for yourself and others? Look no further. With Group Home Riches, you can invest in real estate and provide a valuable service by offering safe and comfortable homes for individuals in need.
The number one investment in real estate.
And start building a better future for yourself and those around you. Let's make a difference together with Group Home Riches.
What do you think piqued his interest and got him to start listening to you?
I think that he's just a great person.
Mm-hmm.
And I think when you listen, because I can tell you, hey, I work in a social work field, mental health field. I work with a lot of individuals trying to help them, overcome barriers, this and that. Some people that'll go in one ear and out the other, but it has to be a certain kind of individual that it will touch and really acknowledge what you're doing. Oh, this is dope. This is good. We need this. And I think that's what it was, because I didn't do anything different. I just told him once he said, "Oh, I never thought about that. Tell me a little bit about what you're thinking." I already knew I had it.
Yep.
It was because the other one didn't say anything remotely close to that, but he wanted to hear it. And then he was engaged in the conversation and just wanted to know more. Now, he never asked me about anything financially as far as what I charge people or anything like that. We just discussed the property, and he just discussed what he needs in rent, and that was it. And when I went over the numbers, it's crazy. My first home is, I don't know if we want to get into numbers, or
it's completely up to you. The more info you want to reveal, the more they're going to get out of it. So you can estimate, you can be vague, or you could be specific, whatever you'd like.
So I'll just throw some of these numbers out. So like I said, the first home we created, there was 7 rooms. So he wanted $1,700 for rent.
Let me
I've offered it.
For $1,700 for a 7-bedroom?
7 rooms. So we created it. I think initially it may have been 3, but the home is huge.
Mm-hmm.
So when we did the floor plan, it ended up being 7 rooms. It's 3 levels.
Yeah.
When I told him what I wanted to do, he even created another kitchen on the 2nd floor.
Beautiful.
So it's not crazy. It's not chaotic with the bathrooms. It's 3 bathrooms, 1 on each floor. It's 2 kitchens. And when I did the numbers, I offer fully furnished TVs, beds, dressers, linens, everything. You can literally move in with just your clothes and you'll be okay. And all utilities are included. And I charge $800 a room. So if you do that math, 800 times 7, and you minus his 17, and I pay the utilities, that's what it is for just that one. And that was the first one that I kind of jumped out there with. You want a calculator?
We're gonna slow the podcast down for my awful math skills. But you can just tell, based off of so that's a monster deal. And that's pretty for a private bedroom. Is that kind of on the low end for your area?
I mean, I guess it's normal. Actually, when I started off, $750, and then January 1st, 2023, I took it up to $800 because I was just looking at the utilities a little higher, and for what they were getting, you just a 1-bedroom right now is $1,112, and that doesn't even include your water, electric, cable, all that. So you probably end up paying 14, almost 15 a month for a 1-bedroom, compared to, when you're renting a room, everything is taken care of.
Yeah, exactly. So that's the business model in a nutshell, guys. So it's affordable for the tenants, and then you can do the math, and it's a cash cow.
Looking to get started in the lucrative world of group homes? With the right guidance and mentorship, you can achieve success and build a thriving business.